Using simple, everyday English words is great, but if you want to sound more advanced, you can swap some of these regular words for slightly more advanced, more formal ones. This is especially useful if you're taking an English speaking exam or working in a strict business environment. As always, there's a free guide for you to download in the description. But if we already have your email, then it'll be sent straight to your inbox. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Our first ordinary word is try.
Can you open this jar for me?
I'll certainly try to. Now we're going to replace try with the slightly more advanced word attempt.
Can you open this jar for me?
I'll certainly attempt to. Now use attempt to answer this question. For the best results, speak out loud. Will you finish the project today? The next ordinary word is give.
I don't have instructions for this device.
I can give you some. Now we're going to replace give with the slightly more advanced word provide.
I don't have instructions for this device.
I can provide you with some. Now it's your turn. Can you tell me the names of everyone going tonight? Next, we're going to start with this everyday word, need.
Do you want more time?
No thanks, I don't need any more time. Now we're going to replace need with require.
Do you want more time?
No thanks, I don't require any more time. Now on to this. Will this course involve a lot of reading? Our next ordinary word is after.
Can we go for coffee when this meeting finishes?
Sure, we can go after the meeting. Now listen as we replace after with following.
Can we go for coffee when this meeting finishes?
Sure, we can go following the meeting. Now on to this, using following. When will you be free? Now let's look at this simple word, also.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I also like tea. Now we're going to replace also with moreover.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, moreover, I like tea. Now use moreover to answer this. How was your holiday? Next, we have this tiny common word, or.
Do you want to take a break?
I could, or I could carry on and finish sooner. Now, replacing or with alternatively.
Do you want to take a break?
I could, alternatively, I could carry on and finish sooner. Now use alternatively to answer this. Should we take the train? Our next everyday word is use.
Do you come to this gym regularly?
Yes, I make sure that I use it often. Next, listen as I replace use with utilise.
Do you come to this gym regularly?
Yes, I make sure that I utilise it often. Now it's your turn. How can I swim faster? Next, we're going to look at the simple word end.
When does the performance finish?
It ends at 5. Now listeners, end is replaced with concludes.
When does the performance finish?
It concludes at 5. Now answer this. How should I complete my report? Our next everyday word is help.
Can you give me a hand with this?
Of course, I'm happy to help you. Now listen as help is swapped for assist.
Can you give me a hand with this?
Of course, I'm happy to assist you. Now it's your turn. Will you help me prepare for my interview? Next we have the simple word get.
Where can I get a copy of that book?
You can get it online. Now replacing get with obtain,
Where can I get a copy of that book?
you can obtain it online. Answer this question using obtain. Have you got everything you need? Next we have the word show.
Can you tell me how this works?
Sure, I'll show you. Now we replace show with demonstrate.
Can you tell me how this works?
Sure, I'll demonstrate. Now answer this. I'm not very good at reversing in a car. Now we have the word tell.
I've just seen a crime taking place.
You should tell the police. Now replacing tell with inform,
I've just seen a crime taking place.
you should inform the police. Now use inform to answer this. Will you let me know of any changes? Next, you should use, or better still, utilise this video to really improve your English. I'll see you next time.